How you doing, guys? It's Kevin back with another little video here. Today is the 29th, Saturday, July 29th, and I'm down here at the Point Marion locks. And we got a lot of rain last night. I wanted to show you guys what the locks look like. I don't have a zoom for my camera or nothing, but I think you'll be able to see it. As you can see, last night we got a lot of rain. The locks, it looks to be just coming over the locks now. I heard it was a 25.2 foot and 26 is flood stage. If you look far over, right in the center of the camera, way over on the farm, we fish over there, and that was probably, I'm gonna say 30 foot, 25 to 30 foot down, and it's level with the railing almost now. So we're gonna go down along the riverbank here and check out some of the water, see what all's flooded. Okay, as we're riding down the riverbank, we're coming out of, I think it's called Power Plant Road in Point Marion. It's actually in Dilliner and Dunker Township. We're coming down the road, and I'm gonna have Julie hold this camera out as I go down this road along the riverbank, and we'll see how high the water is. That's just a quick look down along the road here. We're going to take a ride over to the park. There's a little park over at the Point Marion, so we're going to take a ride over there, and we'll see how it looks from that side over there. Alright, this is the Point Marion Park down here in Point Marion, PA, and we're going to get a little shot of it and see how it looks. You got some garbage down there floating. It's high.
I did. I tried. Oh, yeah, I gotta get up now. Too strong.
Tell Vicky and Junior it's alive.
I told him.
And that's the road that goes down around the front. You guys probably remember me doing some metal detecting down in there. Okay, here's the Point Marion Marina. Get a shot of it. There's the Point Marion Bridge right there. And there's a shot of the sign. How you doing, guys? We're back down to Point Marion. We're on what do you call Power Plant Road, and the water has now reached the road. So I guess it is getting a lot higher than I thought. This is Power Plant Road. It leads right into Crooked Run. So it's all flooded now. That was a look at the water in my area. That's the closest little town to me is Point Marion, PA. They're real close to the Mon River, so you know the Mon got up there pretty high, but it wasn't that bad. I mean, it did get into some basements, which I'm sure that was bad enough. Some of the roads had to be closed down that were close to the river, as you've seen in the clip there. That road had to be closed. So they dodged a bullet down there. So I like to tell everybody thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.